Have you ever wondered what it really feels like to own one of BMW's latest electric SUVs in the United States? You see the ads, you hear the buzz, and maybe you've even spotted one silently gliding past you on the highway, the 2026 BMW iX3. But here's the question. Is this luxury EV just another stylish head-turner? Or does it actually make sense for your wallet and your long-term plans? Financing an electric vehicle isn't the same as financing a traditional gas-powered car. Maintenance? Well, it's simpler in some ways, but there are hidden details many owners overlook. And resale value. Let's just say the surprises may not all be pleasant. So today, we're breaking it all down. The costs, the upkeep, and the long-term ownership story of the 2026 BMW iX3 in the U.S. If you're considering making this leap, you'll want to listen carefully. Let's start with financing, because for most buyers, this is where the journey begins. The 2026 BMW iX3 slots in as one of BMW's more affordable electric SUVs compared to the larger 9 or 9.5. But affordable in BMW terms still means a starting price well above $60,000. Depending on trim and packages, you could easily see a sticker price closer to $70,000. Now, here's the good news: federal tax incentives. At the time of its release, the iX3 qualifies for certain U.S. EV credits, but these depend on where the battery components are sourced. Assuming eligibility, that could knock up to $7,500 off your tax bill, making financing it a bit easier. BMW Financial Services often pushes competitive lease deals on new EVs, sometimes under $700 per month with reasonable down payments. Leasing can be especially attractive if you're worried about resale values later, since the risk shifts to BMW at the end of the term. On the other hand, buyers who finance through traditional auto loans can expect rates anywhere between 5% and 8%, depending on credit. A typical 60-month loan for a well-equipped iX3 could mean monthly payments hovering around $1,000. Insurance is another factor often overlooked. Luxury EVs tend to carry higher premiums due to repair costs and parts availability. Expect your iX3's insurance to be 15 to 20% higher than a comparable gas-powered BMW X3. So, from a financing standpoint, owning the iX3 in the U.S. isn't impossible, but it requires careful planning. Leasing offers peace of mind, while financing offers ownership pride but with heavier monthly obligations. One of the strongest selling points of any EV, including the BMW iX3, is the promise of lower maintenance. And for the most part, that promise holds true. Gone are the oil changes, spark plug replacements, and complex exhaust systems of gas engines. Instead, the iX3's maintenance revolves around tires, brakes, battery health, and occasional software updates. But let's break this down. First, tires. EVs are heavier than gas cars, and the iX3 is no exception. The extra battery weight combined with instant torque means your tires will wear faster. Expect to replace them around every 25,000 to 30,000 miles. Sooner if you drive aggressively. High-performance EV tires can run $300 to $400 each. Next, brakes. Thanks to regenerative braking, your brake pads may actually last longer than on a gas-powered SUV. But don't be fooled. When they do need replacing, BMW brake service isn't cheap. You could easily see a four-figure bill. Battery health is the big unknown. BMW warranties the iX3's battery for 8 years or 100,000 miles, which covers major defects. Still, capacity loss over time is inevitable. Most owners may see 10 to 15% range degradation after 8 years, depending on charging habits. Using DC fast chargers too often can accelerate wear, so smart charging practices become part of your maintenance routine. And finally, software updates. BMW's push toward digital integration means more over-the-air updates, but also more potential software glitches. While many can be resolved remotely, some may require dealer visits, and BMW dealership labor rates are among the highest in the industry. So yes, compared to a gasoline SUV, the iX3 does cut out a lot of traditional maintenance headaches, but it introduces a new set of considerations. Resale Insights, the surprises most don't expect. Now comes the most interesting and often most surprising part of owning a BMW iX3 in the US. Resale value. Traditionally, luxury vehicles, especially German ones, have suffered heavy depreciation. Add electric vehicle into the mix, and the numbers get even trickier. Here's why. The EV market is evolving at lightning speed. Battery tech is improving year by year. New incentives roll in, and automakers release updates more frequently than before. That means today's cutting-edge model can feel outdated in just a few years. For the 9.3, analysts project steeper depreciation compared to gas-powered BMWs. After 3 years, you could see resale values dropping to around 55 to 60% of the original sticker price. After 5 years, the value could slide closer to 40%. That's significantly sharper than what buyers of a traditional BMW iX3 might experience. But there's nuance here. EV adoption in the US is steadily growing, and used EVs are gaining demand, especially in urban areas where charging is easier. If federal or state incentives shrink in the future, used EVs like the 9.3 may become more attractive since they offer buyers a luxury experience without the new car premium. One more factor, battery condition reports. Just like mileage is a key factor for gas cars, battery health will increasingly drive resale values for EVs. A 9.3 with strong range retention will command far more than one with noticeable battery degradation. Owners who maintain careful charging habits will benefit when it's time to sell. So, while resale values may be a tough pill to swallow, there are ways to position yourself better. Leasing, again, sidesteps this risk entirely. If you buy outright, plan your exit strategy. Selling within the first 3 to 4 years may yield better returns than holding on long term. So what's the bottom line of owning a 2026 BMW 9.3 in the US? Financing requires strategy, with leasing often being the smarter move for risk-averse buyers. Maintenance is simpler in some ways, but carries its own unique challenges, from tire wear to battery care. And resale values? Well, they're full of surprises. Sometimes good, sometimes not so much. But here's the key. If you're drawn to the 9.3, it's not just about numbers. It's about the experience of driving a quiet, powerful, and futuristic BMW that blends luxury with sustainability. For the right buyer, the pride of ownership outweighs the financial quirks. Now, if this deep dive gave you real clarity, don't stop here. Stick around for more breakdowns of the latest cars, financing strategies, and ownership tips. And tell me in the comments, would you buy the 9.3 or would you lease it? Your answer might surprise you.